Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter date and time, and first of all turn off those switchers, so you will be able to tap on date and choose it from the calendar, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from the clock and confirm it. Now let's tap on the time zone, tap on the region and choose the time zone you'd like to use and tap. Now let's go back. Here you've got the time format, so turn off this automatic option, and now you can decide whether you want to use the 12-hour format or 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher. If you'd like to get back and to all previous settings, just tap on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.